perfect French fry has a crunchy exterior and a light, fluffy interior. I will show you the tricks to achieving the perfect French fry and how to cut them. You will learn my method for a fry that is not too crispy or too pasty and yummy inside. You will learn what keeps them firm. Also, what the perfect seasoning is and when to season it. Cook with me and taste these hot, crispy potato sticks that are fluffy inside. Hold on to your seats and relax, as this is a fast ride. Dine with Devin. I'm that cooking guy taking you on a culinary journey to make your favorite foods. Choose your potato. Russet Burbank in America or Morris Piper in Europe. If you're able to find a Kennebec potato, they are the most favored for French fries. Clean them, remove bruises, and slice into your favorite fry shape. Thicker fries will have more of the soft, fluffy center to complement the crispy outside. A large potato will slice into 3 thick slabs. Then each slab will slice into an equal thickness. See, I get 3 fries out of the first and last slab and 4 out of the center slab. Wash in clean water until it runs clear. You're removing the starch that kills the crispiness when fried. Then, in a large pot, add about a gallon of cold water and vinegar. I'm using rice vinegar. Move the potatoes to that cold water, heat slowly, and maintain a slow rolling boil until the potatoes are firm but slightly fork tender. The centers should still be firm. Drain the hot water off and start the cooling process by rinsing with cold water. Next, place on a tray, preferably with a wire rack and a cloth. Dry the potatoes as much as you feel like. Spread flat on the tray. Put into the freezer for about 15 minutes. In that time, fill a gallon of canola oil in a large pot and heat to 240 degrees, which will drop to 200 as soon as you add your first bunch of fries. Heat for only 3 minutes and return to that tray and put back in the freezer. Heat the oil again to 400 degrees now. Divide the fries into small batches. Cook them for about 3 minutes or to the crispiness that you love. Remove to a plate with paper towels to absorb the extra oil. Season immediately. Salt and pepper is good, but I will do another video of our famous fry seasoning in a future video also. Love this video? Buy me a coffee. And hey, please hit the subscribe button. Watch this next video up here now.